This is how you can store NFTs metadata using Pinata Storage Cloud. Let's jump straight into it. First, you want access to your NFT photos, of course, in the file name. Then you're going to want to sign up for an account for Pinata, and once you sign up, it's going to display this right here. You want to hit upload, folder, select, then you will upload your images, right? I already have mine uploaded. Once you upload your image, you want to get access to your image. Then you want to get access to the first PNG, second, third, and so forth. You want to get access to this CID, the content identifier. You want to copy that. Then you're going to want, in your file, you're going to want to create a JSON metadata folder. What's the name, the description, and a link to your image source. What's the CID, the PNG, and you want to create that so forth for the rest of the ER721 tokens, right? After that, you want to go back to Pinata. You want to do the same method, folder, select, upload, but this time you want to upload the metadata. Mine's already uploaded. Cancel. Then after that, you want to go to where your metadata is, upload that. You want to take this CID content identifier, copy, right? Then go into your smart contract. If you already know how to do this, deploy, I put it in my deploy script, and you place it right here, and you're done. I have to fix my URL, as you can see. But that's simply how you would upload your metadata for NFTs. ERC 721, ERC 1115 is quite different.